Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, I was thinking one thing. If you are continuously watching these videos, I'm not understanding why you still not subscribe the channel. So first of all, please subscribe the channel for more crochet tips and tricks. Today's video is all about crochet dolls, manufacturing and new one. Crocheting doll is a proper and rewarding craft that offers numerous benefits and possibilities. Whether you are making them as toys or gifts, here are some advantages and aspects to consider. Benefits of crocheting dolls: creative expression, design freedom. You have the freedom to design dolls in various styles, from realistic to fantastical. You can customize hair, clothing, and accessories to suit your imagination. Personal touch. Each doll can be unique, reflecting your personal taste or the preferences of the person you are gifting it to. Skill development. Techniques. Crocheting doll involves various techniques including the Japanese art of crocheting small, stuffed yarn creatures. Shaping and assembling this helps improve your overall crochet skill. Problem solving. Designing and assembling dolls can challenge you to solve problems related to preparation, shaping, and detail work. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful videos. Relaxation. The repetitive motion of crocheting can be motivative and calming, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Focus. Engaging in this craft requires focus and patience, which can be beneficial for mental clarity and mindfulness. Personal and gift value. Custom gifts. Handcrafted dolls make thoughtful and personalized gifts for children or collectors. You can create dolls that reflect the reception's interest. Keepsakes. These dolls can become cherished keepsakes or family heirlooms, especially if they are made with love and care. Educational opportunities for kids and teaching aid also. First, we will discuss about for kids. Crocheted dolls